PLP Group, born in 2010, symbolizing the strategic fusion between Arrocera San Carlos, Arrocera Cancha Larga, and Puerto Las Palmas, companies dedicated to the production of rice, fish farming, and livestock, which are joined by the industrialization in origin to generate the link between production and markets. The rice production is carried out in extended lowlands, which characterize the eastern Chaco landscape, which has been adapted to achieve greater irrigation efficiency and proper water management. Both fields are managed with a joint irrigation system, with a main channel that has an extension of more than 30 kilometers and whose water intake is located in the margins of the Paraguay River. The fields also have a network of internal roads of more than 240 kilometers that allow to optimize the accomplishment of agricultural and harvesting work. Arrocera San Carlos and Arrocera Cancha Larga are working together with INTA, oriented to the research and development of rice varieties adapted for the region of Chaco and Formosa. Both companies also signed in 2012 a letter agreement with the Faculty of Agronomy of the Universidad Nacional del Nordeste for the study of water quality and rice and aquaculture production in its different stages. The results of these works will allow us to certify good agricultural practices and quality under international standards. In 2010, a production scheme based on the rotation of rice and pacu was started, which is a unique system in the country and that today generates more than 25% of the national aquaculture production. It is a technological innovation, adapting existing plots of rice to the pacu breeding, making possible a rotation between both activities, achieving a clear and novel synergy where they favor each other. This system combines balanced food supply with natural food, where fish take advantage of existing wildlife such as snails and insects and vegetable remains, which remain after the rice harvest. Once the productive cycle of the pacu is finished and the lot is drained, the ideal soil conditions are obtained to proceed to the sowing of the pre-germinated rice without tillage and minimizing the use of energy and agricultural defenses thanks to the cleaning and the natural fertilization carried out by the fish. With this system of production, a differentiated rice is obtained with the possibility of being certified as organic rice. The productive scheme was recognized in the country by important institutions such as APRESID, CAME, INTA, and ACREA, and it has also received different distinctions, in which in 2016 it obtained the Gold Award for Agricultural Excellence due to the great positive impact it generates in economic, social, and environmental terms. Arrocera San Carlos also develops the livestock activity, currently working on breeding, winter fattening, and breeding of Braford and Brangus. Our cottage participates in the most important exhibitions nationally and internationally, achieving valuable recognition and positioning as among the best cottages in the country. Puerto Las Palmas, born with the aim of dry, store, and process own and third-party rice production. To process the product of fish farming in a plant designed under the requirements of SENASA and prepared to respond to a production of 2,000 tons per year of fish. Produce extruded balanced feed for fish and pets with a plant prepared to produce 6,000 tons a year. To advance in the use of renewable energies, for which a second stage of investment was formulated that includes process sub-products of the slaughter plant to obtain high-quality fish meal and fish oil, extruded soybeans for obtaining oil and certified expeller, elaboration of biodiesel to replace diesel for own use, generation of energy from the rice husk. We begin to move forward with a very clear purpose: transform a region considered marginal in a nucleus region of rice and fish farming in a unique combination and high technological innovation. by the strategic location, generates the production of rice with the lowest cost of Argentina, which is added the value of industrial processing in the place of origin. Logging rice and fish under a different production scheme, layers of certifications as organic, and allowing access to new markets, exclusive and international. Viabilize a competitive scheme from the economic and operational point of view, with a land-river transport system that will transform an important grain-producing area of our region. We are guided by a clear vision and a concrete commitment with our people, the environment, and the dream of helping the north of Argentina to reach its full potential. PLP Group, developing value in origin.